Hello everyone. So as you read in the title down below, I am going to clean my room. I haven't cleaned it in like weeks. As you can see in the background, I brought some products ready to be used. Today I actually asked for like a couple days off from work so I couldn't do some stuff because I'm not good at time management. So yeah, and I'm a little bit tired because I woke up and washed my car and then I washed the dogs. My sister and I washed the dogs, and now I'm gonna start cleaning my room, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I finished the top portion. Now I need to do this part, which, oh, you can see the tripod and my fan. But yeah, I need to do this part. Ooh, and I don't want to move my computer because I don't want to break it, because I'm afraid I might break it. So I'm just going to try to move stuff around. Yeah, and just maybe shove it up, push it a little bit to the side so I could clean the bottom part of it. But yeah, let's keep going. There's a lot of stuff in the back. Jeez. Hello everyone. So it's been a couple of days. Okay, that's a lie. It's been like 2 weeks since I started this vlog. So I started cleaning my room, but then I got lazy and tired and I didn't finish vlogging or cleaning my room. So yeah, that's what happened. So I decided to film today because I'm actually gonna clean my bathroom, and I wanted to film this as well as cleaning my room because I need to clean my space. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, and I decided that I'm gonna combine my bathroom vlog and cleaning my room. So hopefully this video is not too scattered, and yeah, I'm gonna just keep going. I am seriously sweating. Holy cow, it's hot. Okay, I'm done. Okay, everyone, so I am sweating like there's no tomorrow. Look, ugh. So I already cleaned the mirror. As you can see, it looks spotless. And I also cleaned here, and it looks so nice. I love it. I'm so happy. And sadly, it looks really messy now. I don't like that. But you know what? I'll figure that out next time. So yes, after this, I'm going to clean the toilet. But I don't want to film that because I feel like it's a little gross. So, I don't know. I just feel weird filming it. Yes, I'm going to clean that. And then I'm going to clean my room. Okay, so small update. I changed my shirt because I got really sweaty cleaning my bathroom. So, changed my shirt. And I also put my hair in a bun because it was really hot. So change of plans. I am not gonna clean my room because I got lazy again. I'm just lazy, you guys. I am. But I am gonna throw away a few items because I have no idea why I repeated myself. But it's because this drawer for some reason broke. Oh no, don't go all the way. No. I have to do this to open. Okay. So I can't close it all the way, and it's, yeah, look, it's doing that. So my plan is to remove all my clothes here and put them in another drawer. But I kind of want to tidy up, and so I'm gonna remove all the clothes, put them on my bed, and do it like Marie Kondo style. See if anything sparks joy. If not, I throw it away. I bought a few stuff a couple days ago, and I want to show you guys in a small haul later on in this video, in this vlog. Yeah, it's more Halloween theme, and I know it's August, but I like it, you know. I want to be a little festive, you know. Okay, so yeah. Oh, it's so dusty, gross. Not like that. Oh, so much clothes that I don't wear. Okay, so this is all my clothes. And here's the rest right here in this drawer. I'm gonna remove it right now, and I'm gonna gently put this drawer back in and never open it because it's so frustrating trying to open this drawer and it almost falling. Yeah, it looks like I have a lot of clothes that I do not want. So let's get started. First things first. Whatever, I'm just gonna start with this now. Okay, there's a few that I'm like meh about, and it's this one. These shorts are cute, but I haven't worn them. And I know I will never wear them. So, in a not wearing pile. And, oh, I don't even remember these. Yeah, that's a no for me. This is my school pants, or shorts. Yeah. It's been like 15 years since I've gone to high school. So, gonna leave those there. Gonna put them in the donate pile. This, oh no, I still like this. Okay, now I'm getting overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next thing is this shirt. It's cute. It's a leotard, I think it's called, and a bodysuit. But I have a few other ones that I like more. So I'm gonna put this in the donate pile. In the donate pile. This is a beautiful shirt that has like a lot of designs of flowers, and it has the names of the flowers. I like it. It's cute. It's my favorite. It's not my favorite. That's a lie. It's a cute shirt. I'm gonna keep it. It's not a favorite, but I like it. I like this one. It's plain, but it's nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is short, but I like it. Sailor Moon, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, flowers. Okay. Let's see what else. I keep forgetting I have this shirt. It's a nice quality too. There's a lot of long sleeve shirts that I've had for years, but I feel like, I don't know. This one I had for a long time. I don't care for it. It looks like I've used it so many times. Okay, I think I'm good. Hopefully they all fit and I don't need to use that broken one. Do you see it? It's so broken. It doesn't even close. Okay. So, okay, it looks a little messy, but I'm gonna just start putting it in this drawer. Usually what goes in this drawer is my PJs. So, yeah, let's do that first. I see no PJs. Where did they go? Okay, so I found one. Ooh, these are hot. So, since these are kind of warm, I'm gonna put them in the back, like all the way hidden, because I love them still. I got these at Costco, and I love Costco. They have pockets and they're so soft. They're so like luxurious feeling. So yes, like this. I don't think I got rid of any clothes. I mean PJs. So, ooh. And this is my Christmas, I was gonna say leotard, but it's not a leotard, onesie. And it has pictures of cats that have like candy cane and they're a present and they have a Santa hat. It's really cute. Okay everyone, so I'm so sorry for the lighting. It's really dark now. Hopefully it's not too off. So yeah, I want to show you everything that I set up. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this one doesn't work anymore. It doesn't close, whatever, it's broken. So I moved all my clothes here, and I felt like I thought I threw away a lot of clothes, but I guess not. But like I wear all these shirts, so it's fine. And then this drawer, I have just like stuff that I'm gonna throw away later on, and I don't even know. I like keeping the packaging of my electronics that I buy. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. This drawer, I keep my PJs, my warm PJs, my cold PJs, or long sleeve pants, and then here are like my shorts and tank top PJs. Yep, they all fit. I'm surprised. Okay, and then right here, it's a drastic difference because right here are all my long sleeve shirts, and then here to here are all my Moso shirts, tank top. Yeah, I put them together because it fits. And then lastly is this drawer here. Basically it's my loungewear, my sportswear, and yeah, in the bottom part are all my shorts, and then here are all my like shirts. Yep, that is it. Oh yeah, and here are all the stuff that I'm gonna throw away. So I've been seeing a lot of Halloween items and I bought a few things. I think it's not too early. It's August, September, October. Yeah, it's not too early. It's fine. But yeah, the first thing I'm going to show you is this Bath and Body Works. I bought 2 candles. They're $12.95. Original price for a 3-wick candle is $24.95, I think. So yeah, the first one is Vampire Blood, and the scent is right here, which is nice. Blood Red Strawberry, Midnight Blooming Jasmine, Dark Transylvania Plum with natural essential oils. Okay, so I mostly smelled just the strawberry. But the packaging is always so beautiful. Next thing I got from Bath and Body Works is the last thing. I only bought 2 items. Is pumpkin carving. This one, the scent is freshly carved pumpkin, spiced pumpkin seeds, smooth brown sugar with natural essential oils. It smells like Christmas. But yeah, like spice Christmassy scent. And this is the design for this one. So yeah, that's the only 2 things I bought at Bath and Body Works. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna show you is stuff I bought at JCPenney, and I only bought 2 items. And the first item is these jeans. It fits me and the color was nice, so I bought that. And okay, so I just saw this shirt and it's a long sleeve shirt. And so yeah, now I have space to put it in. It is this black shirt with a skeleton on it. It's very Halloween-y theme, which is nice. I wish it glowed in the dark. That would be cool, but whatever. So yes, that is it for this vlog. I'm not gonna clean today because I just got lazy. I'm gonna do it next time. When is next time? I do not know. I hope you enjoyed, and hit that like button to let me know you like these types of videos. Hit subscribe if you like my videos, and hit that bell notification to know when I upload. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!